What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick Rustoleum colors, we shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top. We create new interesting color combinations, and then you guys decide, do you love it or do you hate it? 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. There are no wrong answers on this channel. These spray outs are just for fun, so don't take it too serious. But hey, you might want to use this color on your next project. And the one I got for you today, guys, is gloss black Rustoleum. That's what we're going to put down on this fender behind me. And a new eye candy Ultrashift pigment called Jurojin. It's a purple to, I think, like sunset type shift. So it might have some gold and oranges and stuff in it. It looked really, really cool in the package. It almost looks like a candy purple pigment. And Ultrashifts, as you probably know if you've watched my past episodes, always do best over a gloss black base. So that's what we're going to do today. And I've got my Finish One clear coat system that works great with Rustoleum too. And we're going to lay down some Rustoleum on this fender first, and then we'll jump into some Jurojin Eye Candy Ultra Shift Pearl. Alright guys, so we got our gloss black base laid up. So now you know what time it is. It's time for the fun stuff, the pearls. Jurojin Ultra Shift by Eye Candy Pigments. Now like I said, this is a candy purple looking pearl, and then when I turn it at angles, I'm seeing golds. So it's going to probably be somewhere in that realm of family. As far as clear coat today, I am using the Finish One Clear. It is the best clear I found to use with Rustoleum. It doesn't cause any issues, it's high solids, and it's just a great all-around product. Very consistent over Rustoleum. 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. I've got 5 ounces total in the mix. And now we're going to sprinkle in some of this Jurojin. I only have a 1 gram sample pack, so 1 gram will be what we have for the fender. And typically I do 3 coats of this. If you wanted to go full scale, do a whole car. For most small to medium sized cars, you need 25 grams. If you want to go something bigger, I would pick up 2 bags. So, all right, I'm going to sprinkle this in the mix, and then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. All right, guys, so this is Jurojin in the mix before I even get to mixing. And as we start, I got a feeling we're going to see some craziness. Well, yeah, definitely a purple. And at certain angles, I am seeing it start to kind of shift and change. You're getting a little bit of golds, a little bit of kind of a sunrise effect, which is pretty cool. I got a feeling this is going to do a lot more on the panel out in the light than it's doing in this cup. But as always, guys, there's only one real way to figure it out, right? Let's load up this V4 gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my old V4 gun loaded up with some of this Jurojin Eye Candy Ultra Shift Pearl today. This is a V4 gun with a 1.4 tip. I shoot a 28 psi wide open trigger if you decide to replicate my settings. As always, we're going to do a light coat first, make sure we don't get any reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. And then the fun part, we take it out in the sun and we see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Jurojin Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments. Now this is a pretty wild one today. If you love purple and you love color shifts, this is definitely going to be it, because man, look at that extreme angle on that, guys. I mean, it's all kinds of sunsetty colors, and man, when it's not in the light, man, it just has this really cool grape color. I mean, it's an awesome pearl, and like I said, it's going to be one of those you love it or hate it, but man, that's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Jurojin Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black Rustoleum. Now, this was a pretty crazy one today. When I looked in the bag, honestly, all I saw was like a candy purple looking color. And then I barely turned the bag, and I would see a little hints of gold or whatever. I'm like, okay, this is going to be an interesting one. Didn't expect it to do anything like it's done today. I mean, this is definitely like a Crown Royal Ultra Shift as far as I'm concerned. I mean, it just has those sunsetty colors and then that deep purple. Oh, you guys saw it. But yeah, it's a pretty crazy one today, guys. But it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you decide you want to spray with Jurojin Ultrashift on your next project, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy. That means I can get you guys a discount. So links will be in my description of this video. And when you go to Eye Candy's website through the links, enter WAW shop, WAW shop at checkout. We'll get you a discount. It goes to help the channel. And yeah, it's a win-win for everybody. This finished one clear, like I said, it always lays out really good. I haven't had any reactions with it over Rustoleum. It plays well with everything I've used with Rustoleum. So definitely look into that. Links to that, my paint gun, the mask, everything else I use will be in the description as well. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it takes you to my Amazon store, and you can buy everything I use on the channel there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like these crazy spray outs, paint jobs, a little bit of everything I do on the channel, it's all custom stuff and it's a whole lot of fun. Please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode, and please hit that like button. It helps me with the algorithm to get this video out more. And drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you thought of everything, and what crazy color combination have you not seen on this channel that you'd like to see next. If you have been watching my videos, and you probably know this by now, I've got over 100 plus spray outs. I've done all kinds of different crazy color combinations, so go down the rabbit hole, go back, watch it. You never know, you might find something really interesting, a good idea for your next project. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for always watching and sticking with me. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works, so hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.